Okay, so I do actually have one bed that has survived the summer, and it's because it's entirely in shade. But I just found something on there that I want to show you guys. This is some type of caterpillar poop. I suspect a hornworm. So I'm guessing he's a little farther up. Maybe we'll find him together. We got some leaves stripped here. Oh, maybe he was too exposed and some birds got him. I don't see him, I just see evidence of the little jerk. So I'm gonna come out tonight. I see him. All right, we're gonna play some Where's Waldo. Do y'all see him? How about now? How about now? So in general, it is wise to be very cautious when touching caterpillars. This guy is safe to touch. So if you see one like this, just go ahead and grab him. And now he's gonna go become a chicken treat. How's it going, my loves? Who wants him? Oh, nice. The most organic of organic pest control.